The book I chose to do is called The Rise of Nine by Pittacus Lore. It's the third book in a series of 3, and the first 2 books are called I Am Number 4 and The Power of 6. This book takes place all over Earth, and there are 2 main characters. The first character is Number 4. He goes by John Smith. And the second character is Number 6. Number 6 doesn't have a name, she just goes by Number 6. These characters came from the planet Lorien, which got destroyed by the Mogdorians, and that's who Number 4 and Number 6 try to defeat and destroy. They try to defeat the Mogdorians because they destroyed their planet Lorien, and the Mogdorians are planning on destroying planet Earth too. There are 9 kids from Lorien, and they're all sort of superhumans, and they all have like different powers, and they're supposed to develop them and destroy the Mogdorians. This book I consider an action sci-fi mystery. By mystery, I don't mean like solving clues, figuring out problems and stuff. By mystery, I mean you're slowly getting pieces of a puzzle and you're slowly putting them together. The things I like about this book is that it always keeps you interested. There's always new stuff happening, and it's quickly paced. All these things pretty much mean in one thing. All these things mean that there's always new stuff happening. Like, you're never bored of reading the book. You're always interested in it. The things that I don't like about this book is that it switches between characters, Number 4 and Number 6, each chapter. So the first chapter is Number 4, the second chapter is Number 6, the third chapter is Number 4, and the 7th chapter will be Number 6. I don't really like this because it really gets confusing after a while of reading, and you don't really know whose like perspective it's in after a while. And the other thing I don't like about this book is that you have to read it in order. That's not really considered a con about this book, but you can't just pick it up and read it. You have to read the first 2 books in order, or else you won't understand it at all, and it'll be no use to you in reading it. The last thing I don't like about this book is that the ending is really quick. You're just reading, and then you flip the page and it's done. You do not see the ending coming at all, and it just ends very fast. In total, I'd rank this book 4 out of 5, and yes, I would recommend it to a friend.